Hey, what's up, Brent for Brenspeed? Thanks so much for watching Brenspeed TV. 22 Roush. They call it the 450. 450R, naturally aspirated Roush Mustang. Came in for what else but the Stage 2 750 horsepower Roush Supercharger. We're going to watch a dyno pull. We just installed that. But hey, if you haven't, please subscribe and notify us up to date. Let's go check it out. I got to tell you, it's a sweet looking ride, but what do we have? It's an automatic 93 octane, the straight up 22 Mustang Stage 2 Roush Supercharger kit, which guess what? If you have an 18 to present Mustang, we do keep these in stock as well as for the 22. Doug, come down here and take a look. It's a TVS 2650, about 11-12 pounds of boost. This thing's going to lay out some power. These coil covers right here are not included. They do not come with the Roush Supercharger, but it's something we do sell. We do keep these in stock. I'll put a link in the description so you can, look at those. Maybe you want to add those on if you already have one of these superchargers. If you get the nice air induction system, it's a really sweet setup. Check out this dyno pull. All right, check out these numbers. DynoJet, SAE, automatic, 93 octane, 670 raw horsepower, 6,800 RPM. Torque comes in 541, peaking at 5,700. I love it. Take a look at this. This is a clean looking, awesome looking Mustang. I think it's really, really sweet. And maybe you like this right here, or maybe you have more questions about, Roush Superchargers, or maybe Whipples. Just go into our channel. I have tons of videos on 18 and up Mustangs, or even Gen 2 15 to 17, or older Mustangs. All kinds of supercharged videos. That's what I love. We're in our dyno seller at Brenspeed. We're located in Indiana. Hey, what's it cost to get installed? Email quote@brenspeed.com. You want to see our shop? I will put a link at the end of this video to watch some shop tours. Thanks so much for watching.